Hey y'all, I know it's been a little while since I've uploaded a video. I do apologize for that. Um, it's been a hectic couple days. First day was the brown truck stuff, which got it pretty much knocked out. Yesterday I had my radiator on my service truck uh, busted the top cap on it. So I ended up spending most of the day yesterday replacing the radiator and some hoses that had some cold water leaks on them. But I got it all replaced, got it all repaired. I ended up having to do it at my shop. Today I'm out here with this truck here. It was towed in under a D-rate. So I'm going to go ahead and get the drive line installed and then we'll get connected to it, see what we can find on it. So y'all stay tuned. Alright y'all, we had a cold front come through. It's fucking cold. But I'm back out here, this truck. I got the drive line, of course, already pulled out. See if I can get y'all to stay there. And we're gonna knock out this huge one. I'm gonna spin the drive line around. Just so it's a little easier to get to everything. Now I'm gonna get my die grinder and hit these holes. Clean them out. They got a little bit of rust in them from overnight. Then we're gonna get these babies installed, so y'all stay tuned. Over there. Looks pretty good to me. There's really any rust hanging behind. Alright. Turn off the air compressor. Loud. Playing the guitar just too damn. Boom. No man, I can't figure it out. Why don't you tell me the kind of song you wanna hear about? Alright, I haven't done it with the C-clamp before. We'll see how it works. Give me a song about beer, cans and whiskey bottles, back roads, pasture parties. Need that little guy. Smoking bars I can't see. Two things of hardware, that's cool. Let's put this in the bed. I don't know if that fucking thing's even gonna work very well. Hopefully it does. Not a lot of grease. Let's see. Back roads, pasture parties. This is the biggest one they had at Ace Hardware. It's 8-inch. Hope it'll work. Press one side and then the other. Maybe. No. Son of a bitch. It won't even hit the opening. Well, I have to do it the old-fashioned way. Beer cans and whiskey bottles. Yeah, back roads past your parties. Ow. Could have set up in the vise. No, you can't get up. Fucking hands are frozen. Fuck you. I ain't got much, but I'm damn proud of. I'll leave you where you lie, let the wolves cry. Let's find a socket. That'll work. I got my keys. I'll bring y'all back when I'm all set up. Alright guys, I guess y'all can tell I got it all done. It's fucking cold as hell out here. My hands are frozen to shit. But it's in there. It's done. I need to get my ass in the truck. I'm trying to put everything else up right now. Get my bench vise closed. That's that. Still gotta get this airline disconnected, which is gonna be a bitch up here. I'll bring you back. We gotta go to Dallas here in a minute. Well, that's not good, guys. I climbed underneath this truck to find the drive line. It's not there. It's got the slip joint in there still. I don't know if you can see that. But I searched inside the truck, under the sleeper berth, on the frame rails, on the catwalk. There's no drive line. I'm gonna go get with the customer and see if maybe they have it somewhere inside. So y'all stay tuned. Hey y'all, here we are. So customer's gonna go ahead and install the driveline. I guess they had it sitting here in their shop. They're gonna get it put in while I'm troubleshooting these other ones that are having issues with the PTOs. I got the first one resolved, and this one is showing all different parameters for it. So I'm gonna mirror that one to this one and see if it works from there. So y'all stay tuned. Hopefully we'll be on that one on the other side of the parking lot before too long. But I'll tune back in here in just a few. Hey guys, I didn't get to record it because I was busy, but the throttle pedal on that other truck is no good, and that's what's causing it to not work, I guess you could say. I gotta run up to Garland and give some information to a customer, basically sign off on their federal inspection. So that's pretty much it for today. There ain't really shit that I can record whenever I'm at some of these places, and I apologize for that, but it is what it is. So I'm gonna get this email sent off for a throttle pedal, and then hopefully come back out here tomorrow and replace it. So y'all have yourselves a good one, and see you later.